So I got into the ID.4 this afternoon after it sat overnight, and the center infotainment screen is blank. The car still works. I've driven it for a little bit now, but this main screen is not coming on. The console here, of course, is working, and the radio and everything else is working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try this one resetting method, which is there's a button here, which is kind of a power button. I'm going to hold it down for 10 seconds and see if anything happens. 1, 3, 6. So something seems to be happening. I hear a click somewhere. Let go and see what happens. There you go, screen comes back on. I see this message sometime, so I'm thinking it is just reception or is rebooting still, but let's see if the rest of the system comes back on. There we go. Let's just make sure the radio is, well, actually, let's just see. Yep, still good. So holding this button for 10 seconds, maybe a little bit more, seems to have rebooted the screen. Hope you find that useful.